Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I am making a recipe from my favourite recipe book, Gruffalo Crumble and Other Recipes. It's based on the picture book by Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. Here we go, caterpillar twists. There are lots of caterpillars in the deep dark wood. These make a very chocolatey breakfast treat. You will need 1 sheet of ready-made puff pastry, some chocolate spread, white chocolate buttons, and a little bit of extra butter for greasing. So once you have preheated your oven and greased your baking tray, lay the sheet of puff pastry and cut it half widthways with a sharp knife so you have 2 smaller sheets. Then what you need to do is spread the chocolate all over 1 sheet. Make sure you go right to the edges, and then carefully put the other half on top. Then you can cut it into 10 strips. Once you pick up one of the strips, hold each end, twist it until you have a spiral, place it on the baking tray, and then repeat until you have done all of the strips. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown, and then just allow it to cool. Once you've taken them out, place 2 chocolate buttons on the end of each caterpillar twist for eyes, and the caterpillars should still be warm enough for the chocolate to melt and stick to the pastry. And then finish off each eye with a blob of chocolate spread. Now, if you can't get the chocolate buttons to stay on the pastry, try sticking them down with a small blob of chocolate spread. And you could also give these a citrus twist by sprinkling some grated orange zest over the chocolate before you put the other half of the pastry on top. Okay, are you ready to make caterpillar twists? Here we go.